stuck right there. And it's exploding.
It can't stand up.
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Erin. And I'm Izzy. And today we're going to be mixing fidgets into slime! Episode 2. So guys, we have a bunch of new fidgets and look at this Among Us Pop It.
It pops so well.
And we have these again, like the Orbeez squish balls, but without the nets. And guys, we made our own slime this time.
No store-bought slime.
Yeah, and I think I might have overactivated mine just a little bit.
Mine's perfect. Look how crystal clear it is. Guys, look, watch my fingers in the bowl.
They look like sausages.
Bruh.
Look at this, guys. You can see my hands. Ah! It kind of keeps its shape.
Yours is overactivated.
Not as much as yours.
Check out mine, guys. Look.
Why'd you use such a big bucket?
Ah, look. I see you.
You can't even pick it up.
It's a bit overactivated. I wish this was my eyesight. It's so glossy.
Okay, so the first fidget we have are these pineapple beads, and I think there's 2 in there, 1 for each.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, me. Oh my god, it's huge! You can make it into a keychain, I think, or it's just that?
It is a keychain.
Imagine you can make this into a keychain, guys. Oh. Whoa! Look at this, guys.
Look how many are there. They're so tiny.
I know.
I got the rainbow pineapple, and look. What's the size one?
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna cut this into my slime, and I have sharp scissors.
Look,
today.
I made a bowl so mine doesn't go everywhere.
That's good.
Whoa! You got some in my bowl!
I'm gonna stretch it and fold it over so that they'll mix in. Whoa! Look. Whoa! That's really pretty. 1, 2, 3.
I got all of them in here except for 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
These ones are a little bit bigger. Look at it! You can still use it. Stretch it. Also, guys, look, you like my new, whoa. You remember buying these?
You like my hoodie? My dad got bleach on it, and so I made this tie-dye thing.
And her
with bleach.
glasses.
Like my new glasses, guys? I think we made a TikTok, or you can watch our short when we got them. And I
Ow. Let's hold it over. It's melting the slime a little bit. These are a little bit bigger than Mary's were though. So. This. Doesn't poke that good anymore, but it definitely does stretch.
Look at mine. The yellow is like dyeing the slime. This is so cool. Yeah. Look at that. Next we have the Arg Ball.
Like from Troll Hunters.
Arg.
Whoa!
These are huge.
I wonder what's inside. Whoa. This is so
What's in
weird.
here? Looks like shaving cream.
It doesn't feel like shaving cream.
I bet it's Daiso.
Oh, that's so cool, guys. Look. Do you see that? Like, what is that?
This is so cool. I almost don't want to cut it. I want to keep it.
Me too.
All right, I'll go first. Squeeze a huge bunch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh!
is it? Shaving cream?
It's like I have
think
no
I'm-
idea.
I think I'm gonna need a little more slime. Okay, my turn.
I have no idea what this is. But it's really cool.
I know what to do now, guys.
I feel like it might be like a fluffy or butter. I feel like it's
Ready?
shaving cream, glue, and Daiso all mixed together. Mary! Because it's not sticky or anything. Whoa! White too. Where's the rest? I think I'm gonna need a little bit more slime. Look at the ball one's
Okay.
empty though. Whoa! Look at it.
Whoa, this is cool. Okay, let's mix this in. Maybe I'll make butter slime. It's not melting the slime. That's good.
This is so weird. It's like oobleck. When you touch it, it gets like a little bit more harder. But then when you let it sit, it turns to liquid and melts. Maybe it's filled with like a really, really bad made oobleck to get that texture.
It's not mixing in. Well, it did mix in, but it melted the slime.
Look at this. It's like really stringy though. See? If you work it really fast, it's basically like oobleck but in a different form.
It's like slime and black.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay guys, next we have this green Among Us. I'll pop it.
Poor green Among Us. I can't believe we're gonna cut it.
Watch out! You want half?
Yes. I want the top half.
No, too bad.
Oh, I got the bottom, the butt.
Ah.
Okay, let's put the slime over it this time.
Okay, I did the same, so let's pop it. Let's pick it up. Whoa!
Wow, that's so cool. Hey guys, this is how to make poppets out of slime. You don't even have to ruin your poppet. That's so cool.
Well, that's so cool. Let's make a poppet slime.
Oh,
You gotta put them all down.
there you go. You can pop them into the slime.
This isn't that satisfying. Just wait. You forgot one!
Haha.
I'll do this.
Add it over here with this. Okay.
Let's do these. Whoa!
It's opening.
Let's
Okay.
do these.
Okay, you can
Oh,
do
look
that
at
one.
that.
I'll do this one.
Look at the poppet.
Whoa, look at it. Okay, next we have these beadies, water bead balls.
Okay, so this one's like spiky. This
Whoa.
like feels really cool. There's a blue and red.
I have a
rainbow.
blue.
Okay, this is what we got. So I have this red and blue spiky one, and it's so soft too. And I have this rainbow spiky one. And I have this red and blue DNA ball and this rainbow DNA ball. Look at that.
I have 3 Orbeez balls, 1 blue, 1 red, and 1 colorful.
Colorful?
Here is the red, and here is the blue. And look, they stick together, guys.
Okay, I'm really excited to add these because I feel like they're gonna be like bobbles. Ah, it didn't pop. Never mind. All right, what are they?
They
They definitely do not feel like globbles. Look, guys, they're hard and rubbery.
They feel like they're gonna break as soon as I squash them. Whoa, they're like rubber. Like bouncy balls.
Yeah, watch.
Except
bouncy
wow.
balls break more easily.
Boom, look at that. And they're bouncy balls. I remember going to Old Navy and there was a bouncy ball machine. And you get some. So fun. Let's do the spiky ball. First we have the rainbow. Whoa! And the spiky ball feels really cool actually. Alright, let's do the other one. Oh. There we go. Try to get some in my slime. Look at that. I was wondering if these would break. They're just a bunch of bouncy balls. Oh my god, look, a DNA slime. Look guys, a swirl. And then let's put some of the DNAs on top. Boom. Okay, let's try to put these Orbeez into my slime so I have an idea, guys. Okay, some lemon, guys. Oh no, they're spilling! Okay, let's add the next color in, which is red. Whoa! Oh my god, this is such a light red. It looks darker. Okay. And okay, rainbow time, guys. Whoa! Let's try to get into the rainbows. Whoa! That's really nice. I can make a swirl, guys. Orbeez swirl. Okay, maybe Orbeez swirls don't work out that great. Oh my god, look at our slime over here, guys. It's covered in Orbeez.
I'm gonna throw it on. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Boom. Boom.
So next we have this toy Fidget box.
And it's exploding.
It came like that. I'm gonna use the rest of my slime for this. Look at these. These are like clear inside.
There's stuff right there.
These are clear.
Oh my god.
Let me have clear. Look at these noodles.
Whoa. Let's dump it out,
Look at
guys.
these dinosaurs. Oh, look, a package for all your Fidgets. Whoa. Has metal balls. Okay.
Whoa. Look.
Guys, so did you know that you don't have to cut these to get the marble out? All you have to do, is poke it, make the hole bigger, and then you can pop it out, and then you can put the marble back in, and you just keep going like this, and it fixes the hole. Let me show you. Look, okay. You got the marble out, and then you keep going like this, and it fixes the hole. Yeah, because it's like woven together. I like this, guys. What is it? Oh, there's another marble.
Guys, look, we got noodles.
They smell like rubber. They smell so good.
They're rainbow. They're so cute. Oh my god. They look like candy.
Look, this one's clear, pink, yellow, and purple, and blue. Look at this one. Alright, let's cut that.
Look at that. That was so satisfying. Look how pretty.
I had to crack an egg with one hand. Probably easier with a regular egg.
These are slime eggs.
Look, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look. Whoa. Boom. It's like, it's not putty. It's just like a normal slime. Let me put it all over these like noodles. Okay guys, ready? Look at this. Clear. I'm so excited because
This one's not really, but this one is.
all right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. It's like, well, it's, yeah, it's
Right.
like, it's blue and it's clear. Translucent. It's like jiggly slime.
Whoa, this is way nicer than the other ones from the last video. They were so mushy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut this one.
Here it is. Whoa. All right, let's cut this one.
It's a dinosaur.
It can't stand up.
I think I'm gonna save these for Junior and Gabe because they are gonna freak out. They love dinosaurs. Okay, let's. Whoa! Look how this is mixing. So nice. Whoa! It's turning like a green.
All right, ready, guys? 4 bees. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What? 1, 2, 3. What's it? Whoa! Look at this. I love the noodles. They smell like rubber. Rubber smells good. The marble! All my noodles are falling out. Look at that. And boom.
Hey guys, okay guys, watch.
Look, guys. I made the hole super big, and then you just put the marble back in. And
Wait, put 2 at a time.
marble. Put my marble back in the mesh. And put my marble back in. Just put it right there. Okay.
You took my marble.
And, oh my gosh. And then you keep going like this. Then you go like this. It's easier when the marble stays there. Okay. Yeah, once the marble's in, you just go like this, and boom! It's fixed. It's fixed. It's woven. It does that.
Whoa, look at all our slime. This is fidget slime.
Oh look, I'm doing it. Look at the puppet.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa! Look at the puppets.
Should we do part 3, guys? Let us know on TikTok.